guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. So we are back with a recurring theme this time. We're going to be talking about recovery through food. So you remember we did a segment recently with Lulu Powers?
Love Lulu.
Yeah, she was fantastic. She came and joined us and talked about her recovery from a stroke and how she used food to help herself heal. So we thought we would continue with the theme of recovery through food, and this time we're going to be focusing on SIBO. Yeah, and we've definitely talked about that on the show before.
We have, for me, because I was diagnosed with that a few years back.
But we've got a special guest coming up named Amy Paffrath, who's going to be sharing her journey and a recipe that helped with her healing. So without further ado, let's get to it. We are back here today with our recovery from food. recovery through food with Ms. Amy Paffrath. And we're going to be getting to see a recipe that has been instrumental in Amy's recovery journey from SIBO.
Yes, I am such a fan of this cookbook by Radhi Devlukia Shetty. It is called Joyful, and it's based in Ayurveda. What better way to heal your body than through Ayurvedic techniques? This book is all about the lifestyle of Ayurveda and then bringing in some lovely recipes. This one was when I was a little further out of SIBO because beans aren't necessarily a part of SIBO recovery, as you want to give your gut some rest and digest. But I love this recipe now that I'm on the other end of that. It's so good to bring to any party. This is such a crowd pleaser. And if you are going plant-based, one of the things people talk about is getting protein. And I was not a bean eater before this, and now I know how to eat beans and make them taste good. This is such a go-to recipe for me, so let's dive in.
I can tell just from looking at it that it looks super savory.
Yes, it is. It's got a lot of rich flavors, and then you've got, of course, the basil, the fresh herbs, the parsley over here. So you can smell it. It smells so good, so fresh. It's just healing your body from the inside out.
And I love that you brought up Ayurvedic healing because I don't feel like that's something we've really ever touched upon on the show so far. So maybe we can talk just for a second about like the doshas.
Yes.
And Vata, Pitta, Kapha, correct?
Yeah, you know a lot.
I know a bit.
Yes. You do.
Yeah. And so those different doshas, those different sort of like body types, like energy types. So Vata, I believe, is like air and very like light, nervous. Pitta is more like fiery, more athletic. And Kapha is like slower energy, colder. So those different doshas kind of require different eating styles.
Yep.
Do you know what your dosha is?
I'm definitely a pitta for sure. I operate on heat for sure, and I'm very athletic. I'm always moving, always in motion. So it does help to know that about yourself. Like we were talking about earlier, we're all human beings, but we all have different needs based on our very unique bodies. So I love that Ayurveda understands that, addresses that, and helps you live your best life.
I love that.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Liz, do you have a song for us today?
I do. I guess it's good for the gut. It's like Get to Work. So it's by City Wolf and myself and a few other friends, and we're putting our gut to work today.
Awesome. All right, let's get cooking.
To work. Let's get to work. I'm taking off, I'm ready to go. Don't you know this is my house, my show? So buckle up, rowdy and roll. A time bomb, it's a countdown, let's go. I'm out here making enemies. I came on 'cause we're taking it all. A real deal, never wanna be.
This looks amazing.
So good.
It's so easy and simple to put together.
If you have leftovers, it gets even better as it ages because all of these flavors just really meld together and it brings out all of the best parts of all of it. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Sorry, I'm sloppy.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna
So are we.
try lima beans. Yeah. They're not your mama's lima beans, I'll tell you that. So good, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
A lot of complex flavors going on.
I would eat this every day.
Yeah.
Bring it to your next summer gathering and it's such a hit.
Your school picnic,
Right?
coming up this Friday.
Yes, potlucks. You've got a winner here.
I'll be like in honor of our former president.
Yay. So grateful our children brought us together.
Me too.
Very sweet. 2 thumbs up.
Thank you, Amy.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Amy, that recipe was fabulous. Thank
kiss,
you.
right?
Yes,
Thank you, Roddy.
Yeah, thank you, Roddy. And it was so fun cooking with you and getting to learn more about you and your journey. And we're so grateful that you've been here to share all of your wisdom and experience with our guests. Thank you.
Thank you. I always love spending time with you, and it was so good
nice
getting
to
to know
meet
you
you.
too.
Yes,
And Luna, of course. And I hope all you at home learned a little something and at least got a great new recipe out of it.
Absolutely. Please let us know in the comments below. Please like, please subscribe. What else can they do?
They can buy us a coffee. We love coffee, and it helps to support the show. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You can also get our merch. And if you head over to our website, dancinginthekitchen.tv, we have a free mood boosting food guide for you there, as well as links to the products that we use and love.
Yes, our Amazon storefront and our TikTok shop.
Thank you again, Amy. Thank you again to you. And we will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Dance, dance, dance.